Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this cutie here. I don't know how long. I've had this, I bought this years and years and years ago. I've been going through my bag of wigs and just pulling out something to review. So I'm sure I've reviewed it before a couple times. This is how this bag looks. It's so old. And the name of this is Selfie Star Lace Front Wig. And this is some tape. I guess when people were taping their wigs on, it came with a little strip of tape. Something I've never used. Okay. This is the wig. It's a short bob. It's in the color FS 1B 30 and 33. I don't see all those colors, but okay. Here's the wig cap construction. Okay, it has a light and airy wig cap, and the wefts are sewn on. It has, here's the back. It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It has a comb on each side at the temples. There's one, and here's one. And no comb at the top. It has this parting space right there. And I cut it. I cut the MzBrazell notch. I called it the MzBrazell notch. I just cut the lace right there so you don't see a line of demarcation of the lace because it's not there. And years ago I put some powder in the part area. Okay, I'm gonna brush this. I don't know how old this wig is. I got so many. I don't wear my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put on the wig grip. Okay, this is the way it's supposed to look. A nice little bob there. Just to keep the wig from sliding or coming off or being snatched off. But I don't be getting into those predicaments where somebody will snatch my wig off. No, it's too tight. It ain't about no pain. Okay. What side is this part on? It's on the right side. And I usually wear a left side part. But okay, I can rock a right side part. I'm attaching this comb in the back up under my the wig grip. I'm gonna make this part a little deeper, a little more toward this way, so the hair will fall differently. Okay. I don't want nothing getting in my eye. I don't want that. That's right in my eye. I ain't about that life. Okay, let me see. Turn the wig a little more. I'll turn it this way. Let me see. How did I wear it? So it don't get in my eye. Y'all see me in the figuring out process. Wait for the furniture store to call me to let me know when to go. And go to Amber's house for the delivery. I want the hair to go this way, not toward my face, because I don't want it getting in my eye. I got a silver wig like this. Okay, that's popping in my eye. Brush it back. Oh, that look kind of cuckoo. Okay, you have to behave. You can't be going toward my eye. Oh, I just got my own hair braided, combed straight back and braided, and the braid is actually pinned up with a bobby pin. This hair has a lot of body to it. Okay, let me make a little baby hair. I don't think I need to do anything with the part. Let me look in the mirror, because looks are deceiving. When you look in the mirror, you see a different thing. Okay, that looks okay. Maybe I can pull it back some. Yeah. All right now. All right now. Oh, nothing I'm gonna have to keep adjusting. I need a little bit of powder in this part. I think so. So I'm gonna put some mousse on it, but mousse is for wavy and curly hair. But this hair needs to behave. Okay. Better. No. I would like this to swoop like this. This is taking more time than it should. There you go. That's what I want. I like this swoop-de-doop look right there. But my earrings ain't showing. Look, I like this. Alright, leave it alone. I don't know what the back looks like. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see. Okay, show a hint of an earring. The earring at. Okay. Don't look like her. I like the little swoop she got right there. But I don't want it to flip like it just did. Look. Okay, dude, you need to go that way. About to get on my nerves. Okay, this is what the front looks like. Right side. See, that's how the part looks. Left side. And the back. And it's got a lot of body and movement. I guess it's moving. I don't know. But this is my Selfie Star lace front wig. This ain't no lace front, it's just a lace part. But anyway, that's the way it's supposed to look, and this is how it looks. Okay, let me end this video, because I'll be all day trying to make this swoop-de-doop. Like hers, I like hers. And I probably got it to act right when I first reviewed it years ago. Like I said, this is an old wig. And it's been smashed up in this package for a long time. So it's not cooperating right now. But it looks pretty good. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Thumbnail. That don't look nothing like that, but cover up the name. Okay, there it is, Selfie Star. A name brand I haven't heard of before. Value edition. Okay, I guess that's cheap. All right, y'all be blessed. Bye.